You have probably heard this sweet little rhyme. curly locks, will you be mine? You shall not wash dishes nor feed the swine. Sounds harmless, even romantic, right? But what if I told you this innocent rhyme might actually hide a story about class divide, control, and a life of luxury built on inequality? Stay till the end because the last line changes everything. Before we dive in, if you love uncovering the dark truths behind childhood rhymes, hit like and subscribe because the stories only get stranger from here. Let's look at the full rhyme. curly locks, will you be mine? You shall not wash dishes nor feed the swine, but sit on a cushion and sew a fine seam and feed upon strawberries, sugar, and cream. At first glance, it sounds like a dreamy proposal. No chores, no hard work, just luxury and comfort. But look closer. This rhyme likely comes from a time when social class defined your entire life. Not washing dishes or feeding swine wasn't random. Those were lower class duties. So, what is the speaker really saying? If you marry me, you will rise above the working class. You won't be a servant anymore. You will be part of the elite. But here's the twist. This isn't freedom. It's a different kind of role. Notice what she will be doing. Sitting on a cushion, sewing a fine seam. That's not leisure. That's expected behavior of upper class women in historical Europe. Elegant, quiet, decorative, and completely controlled. Even the food, strawberries, sugar, and cream, symbolizes wealth and privilege, things most people couldn't even dream of. So the rhyme isn't just about love, it's about trading one kind of labor for another kind of expectation. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. The phrase, will you be mine, sounds romantic today, but back then it hinted at possession, not partnership. The woman isn't choosing freely. She is being offered a life in exchange for fitting into a very specific mold. Comfort in return for obedience. Luxury in return for identity. And suddenly, this sweet rhyme starts to feel a little unsettling. So, next time you hear curly locks, don't just hear a love song. Hear a quiet reminder of a world where class decided your fate. Women had limited choices, and even romance came with conditions. If this surprised you, wait till you hear the truth behind Little Jack Horner or Georgie Porgy. Keep on watching the next videos. You will never hear nursery rhymes the same way again. And comment below, which rhyme should I uncover next? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more hidden stories.